Welcome to your crash course on homeschool. My name is Becky, and you are in the right place if you homeschool your kids or you are thinking about homeschooling your kids so that you can focus on their heart and their character because you know that that is as important, if not more important, than the academics that you're doing with your kids. You don't want to be chained to your kitchen table, forced to just turn the page in curriculum. You are hoping to create bonds with your kids that will last beyond your homeschool journey. You're looking for the freedom that homeschool offers, even if you are not experiencing it today. And you're looking to rest, knowing that what you're doing is not only going to build better connections with your kids, but it's going to set them up for success academically. And you are done wasting time and money on things that just do not help